In this video, I'll show you how you can rename your organization in GTA 5 Online. Now, first things first, you have to register as a CEO in the game. So all you have to do is bring up the interaction menu. So press M on your keyboard, or if you're in the PS5, you can press and hold the touchpad and you should bring up the interaction menu, and then register as a boss, and then select Secure Save CEO, and then choose Start an Organization. Now, once you've started your organization, simply go back again to the interaction menu and then now select Secure Save CEO, choose that, and then select Management. And then the first option you should see should be the name. Simply select that and then type in the new name that you'd like to use for your organization. Now, keep in mind that you need to have 50,000 in-game currency so that you can change your name. So once you have written the name that you'd want, all you have to do is select OK, and that will change the organization name. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.